Hello, and thank you for watching Genova's online test registration instructional video. Genova's new online test requisition is designed to help you and your patients with the test requisition process. Benefits include no need to fill out paper requisitions anymore. Easy to navigate interface and workflows reduces errors and missed information. Patient demographics and insurance information is stored for future use, or the program has the capability to integrate with a significant number of EMR systems. Real-time pricing is available based on test selection and billing options. Clinicians can register multiple tests to a patient during a single session. Notification emails to ensure correct and timely completion of test registration. Let's walk through how this application works. To start, the program is located in the bottom right-hand corner of your MyGDX dashboard. Once in the application, you can begin the process of registering a requisition for a test, or you can view previously registered tests or partially registered tests via the History button. Once inside the requisition history, you can see all of your electronically registered tests by a specific date range. You can also view the requisitions based on their status, including in progress, requisitions still requiring action from the ordering clinician, authorization needed, requisitions requiring sign-off from the authorized clinician on the MyGDX account, waiting on patient, requisitions needing additional information from your patient. Complete. All required information has been submitted for these requisitions. You can also continue working on requisitions or view completed requisitions under the Options column. Based on the requisition landing page, you can begin registering a test by clicking Start. The initial screen shows navigation for the tool at the top of the screen. The practitioner through diagnosis codes options are only available for the clinician to complete. The practitioner screen allows you to select the practitioner who is ordering the test for the patient. Once you select the proper clinician, you can click on the Save button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. On the panel selection screen, start by entering your requisition number and clicking Search. You can then select the specifics of the profile based on the requisition. For this example, the requisition is for a GIFX comprehensive profile. You can select all of the components of the GIFX you want, including add-ons. The Billing Options screen provides real-time pricing information based on the testing specifics you selected on the panel selection screen, including add-on pricing. You can select which billing option is needed for the test, including Physician Account, where the practitioner office pays for the test, Medicare or TRICARE for patients utilizing government payers, Cash Pay option for patients who want to pay the full amount upfront or use our payment plan option. We also allow patients to bill their commercial insurance. Each patient billing option has a More Information icon next to it, which further explains the option and what the amount means. The Diagnosis Codes page lets the clinician select the appropriate ICD-10 code for the specific test and patient. We have pre-populated codes based on historic usage, but also allow clinicians to enter codes at the bottom of the list as well. On the Sample Collection Information screen, you can notate if the last sample has been collected. If you select Yes, you'll be asked to provide the collection date and specifics about the sample, if applicable. If you'd like to add another requisition for the patient, click Save and add another, or proceed to the patient information step by clicking Save. At the top of the patient screen, you can elect to skip completing this step and send it to your patient to complete at a later time. Included on this screen, you can also submit the responsible party or other legal guardian for patients who need it. For clinicians who have integrated their EMR into our online requisition platform, the patient information can be auto-populated into the required fields. For more details on integrating your EMR with our online requisition tool, please contact your sales representative or call Genova at 1-800-522-4762. The next screen is where you enter the patient's insurance information. You can skip this screen, which will send it to the patient to complete. After completing the primary insurance section, you can upload images of the patient's insurance card and driver's license. On the next screen, you can confirm all the information you have provided during the requisition process. It will also show information that still needs to be completed by your patient. The payment screen allows for prepayment on the order. The amount required is located at the top of the screen, and the payment information may be submitted below. Patients who are using their insurance will also be given their maximum potential out-of-pocket costs under our Prompt Pay payment program. Many of your patients who use insurance will actually pay much less than this amount. Patients who pay by check need to make sure to include the check with their specimen submission. The route step is for requisitions that need additional information from the patient. You can enter the patient's name and email address to send an email to the patient or responsible party for completion of any steps that were skipped. This information will also be used to send them reminder notifications via email to assist them with completing their portion of the requisition. Note: patients or responsible party will need to have a Patient Resource Center account to complete their portion of the online requisition. Patients will be given the opportunity to create their online account after clicking the link in the email. Please print the e-rec and have the patient sign the patient responsibility acknowledgement. You will need to include this e-rec with the specimen submission. If you sent an email to the patient to complete the registration, they will be given the simple option to electronically sign their order. If the patient is unable to sign the e-rec, please have them write their name and date of birth at the top of their blank paper requisition and sign the patient or responsible party acknowledgement at the bottom of the page. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-522-4762 or email our IT team at erec.feedback@gdx.net.